Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. The presentation very important and Google display ad in e-commerce. Lot of tips on Google display ads in e-commerce site and e-commerce business and e-commerce. Make a clear volumes on proportion and what write effective handles and include and call and action CTA. Create an effective landing page, share customer reviews, make bid adjustment and reviews refill traffic. The Google display ad in e-commerce, the 8 tips for Google e-commerce business and Google display ads. Google e-commerce site in Google display ad, the number one, make the clear volume the proposition and write an effective handles, include a call and action to button, create an effective handling page, share customer reviews, make bit adjust and reviews and repeat traffic. Well, Google Ads matching the landing does a lot of the work and optimize in display ads. It is your job to provide the compelling assist and adjust your campaign according to performance and analytic. Hard the tips of creating effect Google display ads. Make a clear volume pro positive proposition when the potential customer are browsing the web. They are easy many only skim over the ads mentioned, so it's important to make your value possible and immediately clear. Use the effect handles in image to highlight the product service and your selling and make engages with your sold buy from you. Number two, write effective handles. Short purchase handle can be each and attacks. There are mine. Google may not include your description in some items to add, so you handle links needed to convert and marrying on his site is own. Number three, include a call to action. Promote the people to click and your display ad with the call to action and integration like shows and clothing etc. Learn more. The remember button proportional the call to action non-extension is a fraction SAS display and down are these the all eyes. Number four, the create an effective landing page when the potential customer click on your play display ad and direct them to a landing page that drives on this portion. It is one old the landing page and refill the CTA and it's like share customer reviews. Buyer trust online reviews almost is mass in person and recommendation and costing the leveling positive customer and testimonial to draw on in your customers. The make beat and adjustment one you display ads and run you will the called and then there are the effective and adjustment boost your speed onto to top performance ads and your loss and losers on those and not helping you reach your online marketing goal. Number seven, Google Analytics can be tell you on the website traffic and coming looking at the refit that and which site type of site then based in performance your business find leads light you can contain your display ad in this. The Google display ad, I can use the Google Analytics and this performance and display ads. You can mount and display ad performance in Google Analytics. Optimize my Google display ad campaign and they said the best and Google ad campaign is cost and run Google display ad campaign and the Google display ad and near business and no such thing. When the comments to e-commerce marketing, nothing can help you drive more sale. The Google ads also under the best recommend and adword. After all, Google handles 5.6 billion user search query every single days. Not use Google Shop ad in your marketing strategy. You would be like sending oil handles to Thomas, your customers who can starting in your lines and the process your products. That brings said Google Ad in practice complex plan to the open your size and to paid e-commerce marketing all not knows that to the provider Google to run successful and campaign can result any website you're making budget left. Consider that at the 11 the pay per click and CPC and Google ads in around $1 to $2 you want to leads per click and you add convert other side want you're better off and fishing your hands and money down the doors do you ordering that you have e-commerce help create and optimize Google ads and e-commerce when the complete then defends the Google ad guide performance bring and extend as like hard is convert these the guides. How do Google AdWords and Base bring it in the handles and Google Ads account? How to use the Google Ad your e-commerce business for 811 safer. What are the best Google Ad type of e-commerce important Google Ads them? You are the knows the 9 e-commerce Google Ads campaign ideas in online store. Reach and the Google Ads and performance. How do Google ads work and base and performance can one of the top Google's one of the bottom of Google one of site and search page embedded on into YouTube page and recent a playing and discover then Google ad campaign you have close in winning beat the particular keyword will depends on the relevant you add copy in handles and then distance products and URLs benefit great your handles decide and the how to Google ads account sign up Google website and create on Google Google e-commerce go show choose in business and goal and Google ads Google e-commerce. Google e-commerce optimize your Google ad campaign optimize your Google ad campaign can help the boost and sell without going over any strict budget someone that a lot marketing suggests to it optimize your campaign regain the close month and those and how optimize that will the possibility and they think or fall adjust is when manual more control. What are the best Google ad type for the e-commerce? The best Google ad type of e-commerce, the Google search network support very Google for Google as type the bring side not only for them relevance for e-commerce. Business had the 8 Google as type opportunity e-commerce. Google search ad, Google remarking ad, Google shopping ad, dynamic search ad, and Google ad, YouTube ads, and True View ads, bumper ads, no skip and YouTube ads, outside ads, and Discovery True View ads, the Smart Google Shopping campaign, Google Display Network ad, Google Glaris ad. The Google adjust them how to scan and keyword and others and etc. E-commerce Google Ads campaign ideas from online stores. There are multiple ads campaign ideas, different marketing process, but choosing the right and over your e-commerce business can be confirms that make this site in your point ads and the 12 e-commerce Google Ads campaign. E-commerce Google Ad campaign that shows the drives and smart shopping campaign, um, smart shopping campaign, brand shopping campaign, non-brand shopping campaign, dynamic search at e-commerce campaign, and computer search campaign, simple audience campaign, content display campaign, the mega explosion display campaign. uh, Dynamic search ad for e-commerce campaign, DSA, dynamic search and ad campaign automatically generate handle that and relevance your targeted audience. Search and dynamic search ad campaign can help you serve campaign. Your targeted audience, search and dynamic can you help serve campaign management in time help. The run targeted ads and with keyword convert on make these a mind and the dinners are the online idea for online store and how to product and dev basis. Thank you, best of luck.